Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 31st, 2024, and we've got a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Apple technology, from chip advancements to marketing missteps, and from international sales bans to innovative apps. We've got it all covered. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with Apple's latest advertising campaign for its AI features. Critics have described the ads as cringeworthy and even insulting. The commercials depict characters using AI to enhance communication in less than honest ways, like writing professional emails or pretending to remember names. This portrayal suggests Apple might be promoting AI as a tool for deception rather than genuine assistance. The author of the critique expresses disappointment, questioning Apple's understanding of AI's potential. In contrast, a more effective animation from Canonical is highlighted, which conveys a positive story in a shorter time frame. Moving on to Apple's hardware innovations, the company has unveiled its latest M4 Pro and M4 Max chips. These new additions to the M4 family utilize second-generation 3nm technology, promising enhanced performance and power efficiency. The M4 Pro and M4 Max introduce Thunderbolt 5 support and significantly increase unified memory bandwidth. The chips are designed to revolutionize workflows for professionals, with the M4 Max offering up to 128 GB of unified memory and impressive memory bandwidth. These chips also integrate advanced AI capabilities while ensuring user privacy through on-device processing. In international news, Indonesia has banned the marketing and sale of the iPhone 16 due to Apple's failure to comply with local investment regulations. The country's industry ministry stated that Apple did not meet the requirement for local component sourcing. As a result, the iPhone 16 cannot be sold in Indonesia, forcing consumers to rely on resale platforms. This ban is part of Indonesia's strategy to encourage domestic production, although past efforts have had mixed results. Apple's absence in Indonesia represents a missed opportunity, especially given the tech-savvy population. On the software front, Screen Canvas is a new digital signage software designed for Apple TV and smart TVs. It allows users to create custom digital signs, announcements, and message boards easily. The platform offers a user-friendly interface with a variety of preset colors and a curated library of photos. Users can save and reuse their designs, creating a personal design library. While the software is free, there is a pro version available for those needing more features. Screen Canvas aims to make digital signage accessible and straightforward for all users. Apple's Vision Pro headset is set to launch in South Korea and the United Arab Emirates on November 15, 2024. Pre-orders begin on November 4th, expanding the availability of the Vision Pro to 12 countries. The headset is priced starting at $3,499 and is described as an early adopter product. Despite its high price, Apple CEO Tim Cook emphasizes that the Vision Pro is designed for those eager to experience cutting-edge technology. In a surprising move, Apple has proposed reducing the lifetime of digital certificates to just 45 days. This proposal aims to enhance security by ensuring certificates are renewed more frequently. However, the industry is concerned about the readiness to adapt to such a drastic change, as many systems still lack support for automated certificate issuance. The discussion around this proposal is ongoing, with stakeholders evaluating the implications of such a change. Now, let's talk about some exciting apps. DumbPhone is a minimalist app launcher aimed at reducing screen time by providing a clean and notification-free home screen. Users can customize the launcher with their most important apps, and it supports both dark and light modes. Despite some mixed reviews, the app emphasizes privacy and is available for free. Pop Frenzy is a new mobile game that combines fast-paced action with gameplay inspired by particle physics. It offers various game modes and emphasizes reflex testing. The game is designed for all ages and promises endless entertainment. It's available for download at a price of $1.99. Lastly, Cipher Memories is an app designed for users who prioritize privacy and security in storing their photos and videos. It features advanced encryption and operates offline, ensuring that media is stored locally on the device. The app offers a straightforward payment structure without ongoing fees, making it an attractive option for those looking to safeguard personal memories. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. Join us tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.